Got the video uploaded, so now I'm gonna do a wishbone.
I won! I did it! Wow.
Here we go.
Time to hang out with some friends and families. I'm not redoing shit. I'm keeping that in there.
Showtime, baby.
Welcome back.
I hate
Fancy face box. You're fine. Phoneception. Ball sucks. Yeah, you made the ball.
tender goodbye from Mama Susie.
Hey, buddy. We truly dream come true.
Basically, I cleared out everything from this bag, and I'm going to put it all into this bag. Da-da-da. So I'm just washing everything now, so that way, it's all clean. Because all my other shit smelled like not good because I was on tour for 30 days and it was hard to wash stuff. That's where I'm at. Just posted the video from yesterday, so that's awesome. Other than that, I'm just hanging out, chilling. Welcome back to Elijah's Cooking Show. Today we're cooking chicken sausage and rice. Ooh, what's up? Yeah. Looks good to me. Just talking to my phone. Just talking to my phone. Alright, I've been sent on a mission to go get wine. Didn't give me very specific instruction. Found a little market. Walking, man. It's a lot of food. I didn't realize how much food that was until I ate it. God damn. It's so pretty, dude. It's so nice. You know, all these eucalyptus trees. They smell fantastic. Oh, California. God damn. Dude, the fucking, what is it, tobacco tax here? It's fucking insane, dude. I think I bought like a $18 bottle of wine and it came out to be $38. Well, I guess it's not that bad, but still, it's fucking crazy, dude. Wine and a pack of cigarettes, 40 bucks? Fuck me. Couldn't do it. Can't do it, man. Can't do it. Okay, well, I did it, but like, still, it's fucking insane.